All right, y'all, we are live in the e-kitchen today, and no, it's not a cooking video. We are actually going to put up a screen in my so-called office. You can see the refrigerator right there. So for those of you who don't know, my office is in my kitchen. So that's pretty much all I need, just that little space. Right there is my office. I did find this rug today at Five and Below, and I am in love with it. I love it. I absolutely love it. It's the perfect size. It's the perfect material. So we'll see how it works, and I put my little furry heart rug on top of it. Something I can just kind of rub my feet on when I'm sitting under my desk. So as you will see, we have our ladder here. We just went and got a ladder, which we're gonna need because of our lights and the ceiling height in here. So hold on one second. I'll be right back to show you guys exactly what it is that we're gonna do. All right, so here is the surprise. So you guys just saw my work area. And so what I'm trying to do is put up this screen. I don't know if you guys can see this. Let me pull it up. I want to put up a screen in front of my work area. It's going to hang from the ceiling, and my goal is that it's going to go all the way down to the bottom. So I believe I have 24 of these. It's 4 in each set, so I have 6 sets. And this is what it looks like. Move this out of the way. But this is what it looks like. And if you put it kind of up against the wall. So basically, it's gonna hang in front of the desk. Just something kind of decorative, I guess. I don't know. I had it in my mind, and I'm trying to pull it out. So I'm gonna have my husband hang it all the way up from the ceiling, and I guess as far down as he can bring it with the 24 that I have. So stay tuned, you guys. Hopefully it'll be done today, and then I'll be able to come back and show you the reveal after I see the reveal, because I'm actually not going to be here while he's doing it. So this is one of his little projects that he's going to do, and I'm going to be surprised, and you guys will be surprised. So stay tuned for the next video. All right, y'all, it's been a change in plans. I'm actually going to stay back and help the hubby with this project, because you really do need 2 people. So he's going to let me help. Yay. So what I did was I took 4 different measurements, starting at 8, 10, 2 and 5 inches in, and I really like the 5 inches in. But as you see, I'll have 5 different rows, but I only have 4 rows here. So I'm just going to leave the space for the first row, and then we'll order some more, and then we'll come back and do that part. I think I'll probably need some more coming down on each row as well, because the ceilings are kind of high. They're about 9 feet. So we're just going to work it all out. Sometimes you just got to play stuff by ear. So that's what we're doing today. We're going to play it by ear. But again, we're going to start at 5 inches in, and each square is 10 inches. So we will go from 5 to 15, and then we'll do 2 inches in between each square, so each row. So that's basically what we're going to do throughout this project. I'm actually going to stop talking right now, but I'm just so excited, you guys. I can't wait for you guys to see the finished product. I can't wait to see the finished product. I'm actually going to leave a little bit of space on the end, because I don't want anyone coming kind of knocking it down or bumping into it. So yeah, this is it. I'm going to stop talking, and we're going to get to work.
right, here is the finished product. Yeah, I'm so happy with this. I have to send a special shout out to my husband for taking on this project and for bringing my vision to life. Um, I'm really excited, y'all. I'm really, really excited. So I'm going to step back a little bit just to let you guys kind of see the whole thing. And like I said, we only went 4 rows across and 6 down. So I know that we'll probably have to place another order. But I'm excited and I'm happy with what it is right now. I really am. We will add one more row to the left. So we left space over there for that. But y'all, I'm so happy. If you are new to our channel, please like, share, and subscribe. And if you're returning, we thank you guys for hanging in there with us. This is the E-Kitchen, but we do more than just cooking. So we will see you guys in the next video.